Oh, is it Friday?
Yeah, he's off again.
I hope he's watching because I like to jab him about that. All right, so here we go. Holiday travel forecast. If you're going to the Pacific Northwest, that's where there will be some trouble spots this weekend. So if you're flying from DFW to San Francisco, Portland, Seattle, maybe some delays. The Northeast, a little bit of snow, they can handle that. I don't think it's going to be a big deal. I think the bigger problem will be the Pacific Northwest and from Northern California up to Seattle. Dry across the central part of the country. That includes Texas, 61 degrees. That'll be the high temperature on Sunday. It'll be dry. Then our next storm system starts to brew Monday night going into Tuesday, which is Christmas Eve. There will be snow in the Great Lakes. A little bit of rain in Texas Monday night. Certainly a better chance of rain on Tuesday. Again, that is Christmas Eve. And yet again, another storm system with some heavy snow in the mountains, some heavier rain in the lower elevations of the Northwest. So we'll be watching that storm system for us through Christmas Eve. And then another one Thursday, the day after Christmas. But late Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, both look dry here in North Texas. 57 degrees was the high today. Outside right now it's 49. So it's chilly. Pollen, you hear it? Mountain cedar is high. Fungus is low. It is likely the problem that you have. Mountain cedar is not anybody's friend here in this state. It originates down here. When we have southerly winds, it brings all that pollen up here into North Texas. And we'll see that, especially next week. We have a very warm week ahead for Christmas. And let's talk about that rain chance. Late Monday going into Tuesday, scattered showers, a couple thunderstorms. That's in the forecast. Most of Monday is dry. It's overnight Monday going into Tuesday. This is 3 o'clock in the morning. Scattered rain, some thunderstorms. There's 7 a.m. We get into, this is Christmas Eve. You're looking now at noon. Fairly widespread rain from Paris down into the Metroplex, down to Brownwood and Waco. But watch what happens in the afternoon. See the rain's moving southeast. So it's not going to linger all day Christmas Eve. The rain is in southeast Texas by the time we get to the nighttime. So if you have any plans for Christmas Eve night, they look totally fine. Christmas Day, this is 7 a.m. Waking up to presents, looks fine. It's going to be dry. It's going to be mild for this time of the year. Temps will be in the middle 60s. And then our next chance of rain after that, we'll get here as soon as Thursday. So it's kind of nicely timed, I guess, for the holiday here. That's 70%, mainly early in the day. Then it drops down to 0 for Christmas Day and back up to 40 on Thursday. Tonight, 32, a widespread freeze in the forecast, dry and cold tomorrow. 56, dry, cool, light winds. The 14-day forecast, not very winter-like. Winter begins overnight tonight. That's the winter solstice. It'll be the shortest day of the year tomorrow, and then we start gaining daylight on Sunday. Temperatures in the upper 60s on Monday. Tuesday, 67. Then beyond those rain chances through Thursday, it looks like we dry out, but we stay mild.